to me, and I immediately settled on what I refer to as the Do Good Anyway poem, which is printed in its entirety on the back of your program, along with Seth's program notes. This poem has always resonated with me ever since I first heard it read at an honors convocation by one of my favorite humans, Mr. Bill Lewis, who taught science here for many years. Throughout the course of the pandemic, when we lost our musicals, we lost our concerts, and even the ability to sing together, I found myself coming back to this poem in search of the strength to keep going, to build anyway. I have it posted above my desk and in my home, and it's something I think that we all need to refer to as much as possible, doing good anyway. And so this piece is one that is exceptionally special to us, and to say that I'm proud of Seth for all he's achieved since leaving Livonia would be an understatement of the century. And so without further ado, here's the world premiere of Anyway by Seth Waldron.
People are unreasonable, illogical, and self-centered.
If you do good, people may accuse you of selfish motives. Do good anyway.
The good you do today will be forgotten tomorrow.
If you are honest, people will hate
What you spent years building may be destroyed overnight. Build anyway.
Give the world the best you have, and it may never be enough. Give the best you have.